So what is up, guys? PJ in that video, and today is Monday, and me and Jenna's just been riding around. Look at this trailer. Let's hook that trailer with that truck, so you know. And there's really nobody here, and I gotta go show y'all one boat dock. Not boat dock, but one boat thingy. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all one boat trailer. Oh god, I'm trying to ride with one hand up this hill. I don't think I can make it, Jenna. I don't think I can make it. Yeah. Alright. So look, there's no boats here except that boat trailer way over there. It's a pontoon boat trailer. So today's the 23rd. Happy birthday, Eden. Yay. So I'm happy it's your birthday. And we just had a storm. Ugh. So we just had a storm. There's a lot of puddles. I would take on a trail, but I'm not because of all that stuff. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet. I don't know if this video is gonna be long. I tried to make it long, but my memory thing was full, so you know I couldn't make it longer. So now it's longer. How about to show you all the boat docks? Ooh. I don't know, I might show you the boat landing later. I'm not sure yet. I don't know what I'm going to show you yet. That's one weird pontoon trailer. Must be a small pontoon. Cause you got like, did you know the donuts that you put in the car? That's what it looks like. That's what the wheels look like. Alright, so there's puddles there from raining. Sorry if it was upside down. I'm riding the bike. If you can tell. Oh god, drain. Ooh. That's a big puddle. Sand puddle, how about that? Alright, so Jenna's behind me. We're just cruising around, run through every puddle we see. There's one deep puddle, I know. Jenna, there's one deep puddle I think I know. Okay? No. Yes, there's one deep puddle. There's one with trailer. Stop him out. There's one lonely trailer there. Out of all these trailers. Jenna's head was in the way, so out of all these trailers here, there is only one pontoon trailer. Like, you hear my echo? Crazy. Alright, so there's no one here, and I don't know if I want to go through that puddle yet, but I'm about to show you the puddle. I thought I heard a car. Sorry. So there's really no one here camping, so, huh? You see a boat? Oh, the boat in the playground. Yeah, I'm sure that. That's a nice John boat, but they just put a hole inside of it for you can get in it. Yeah. Oh god. So it is PJ with that video, and yeah. So happy birthday, Eden. So yeah, PJ in that video. Peace.